Hello, beautiful people. I am going to do a review on the Pravana Fresh Dry Shampoo. Now, this is a dry shampoo. I'm going to tell you the best time to use this is at night. Put it in night, let it stay overnight, and what it does, it's going to absorb the oils in your hair. If you put it in the morning, it really doesn't have time to do that. So to get the full effect and benefit of it, use it at night. I've used several dry shampoos. Probably my favorite is the Living Proof one, and then Moroccan oil. Pravana, for the price point, good product. The thing that kind of turns me off about it, but some people may love, is it's so strong, the scent. And I know why. It's because our hair stinks when it's dirty. So it's killing two birds with one stone, but it's a little bit overpowering for me. But it definitely does work. I do like this. It's not my go-to product, but I do bring it to style hair.